Okay, so today we're going to show you our version 2 of our patent pending bottle capper. This bottle capper utilizes the same bottle positioning trays as our fillers, so you only need one tray to run our filler and capper. And these trays just slide out and slide in. For the caps, all you need to do is kind of put the cap on the bottle, give it a little quarter turn just so everything's centered, and you're good to go. When all that's done, you could go over to your user interface. You do have a few settings, like bottle count to tell how many bottles you're filling. A cap down delay, that's how long the capper is going to try capping your bottle, and the delay for it to go back up. You have a travel feed rate, which is how fast that capper is going to index over. Then you have a row quantity, row distance, column quantity, column distance, which I get into a little later. That just is the positioning for the machine. I'm going to go ahead and click cycle start. Let's see this machine run. We are capping 70 bottles today, so you'll probably hear our air compressor kick on a few times. You want to run the capper at 90 psi, and you do have a regulator back here to regulate that. On this machine, there is also an auto oiler. The oiler will make sure that the capper always stays lubed. You also have auto torque, which will actually torque all these caps to a set torque using this setting there. Okay, so now we just capped 70 bottles. You could go ahead and take out your tray, load in your next one, and you're good to go. Just some other key features here on our newer style. You do have a little gauge here and a little air regulator here. This is to regulate basically your down pressure for the capping system here. So basically, you saw a few of those bottles rotated, like this brown one here. It did, however, get tight. I can't actually tighten it anymore. Most likely just there was some oil on those ribs or something, but I can't tighten it. And you can see that it did put on both safety seals there. And then you also have two adjustments here, one right here and one over here. These are flow controls to control how fast this capper is going down. You want to be real careful not to go too fast to damage the machine. We usually get those all preset for you. You do also have an air dryer here. You could go ahead and just turn that if you want the air to come out or any water. Pretty much this is a turnkey unit. If you have any questions on it, please go to www.rockymountainplc and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.